David Morrow gets to the finish line without breaking up. For all of the RPM club members, Brad Llewellyn would like to have you drop by his pit at some point, just right up the midway stairs over near the SRA photo booth, right across from SRA photography. Any more about what's going on with that? Brian Nygren, happy 50th birthday to you. And we need a representative from the Blackhawk Racing Team. That would be the Blackhawk Racing Team. We need a representative from your team to see them at the Tech Building at your convenience. So if you would